If your Telegram downloads are moving slowly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Telegram download speed with 2 simple fixes that can make a real difference. We'll start by optimizing Telegram itself, then we'll look at your network connection so you can get faster, more stable downloads on desktop. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC. Once it's open, go to Settings, then click Advanced, and look for Manage Local Storage. This is where Telegram stores temporary files and cache data that can build up over time. If your app has been running for a while, that cache can slow things down and affect download performance. Inside Manage Local Storage, you'll see an option to clear all. Go ahead and click that to remove the temporary files. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats or your account, but it can help Telegram run more smoothly and free up space on your device. After clearing the cache, give Telegram a moment to refresh. In many cases, this alone can improve responsiveness and help downloads behave better. Now let's move to the next step, which is just as important. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired connection if possible. Connect your PC directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. A wired connection usually gives you more stable speeds, less interference, and fewer packet losses than wireless internet. That means Telegram can download files more consistently without drops or slowdowns caused by weak signal or congestion. If you've been sitting far from your router, or if other devices are sharing the same Wi-Fi, Ethernet can make a noticeable difference. Once you're connected, restart Telegram and try downloading the same file again. You should now have a better chance of getting faster and more reliable download speeds. Also, make sure your internet itself is performing well. If other downloads are slow too, the issue may not be Telegram at all. It could be your connection, your router, or heavy network usage in your home or office. For the best results, keep Telegram updated, clear local storage regularly, and use a wired connection whenever you need maximum speed. These small changes can add up and help Telegram work much better overall. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.